Hi folks, and welcome to the lovely 10 Goldstar circuit in the beautiful Central Springs. This lovely property is 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a huge open plan living and dining area. Everything is modern, everything is fresh. Come on down and have a look. I look forward to seeing you. And friends, what more can I say? We've got a beautiful sparkling pool in this yard, and you can see at the back, you're not looking into other neighbours at the back. This is a lovely spot. You will love to entertain your friends out here, and you can't ask for anything more precious than entertaining your friends in a beautiful environment, and you're right in town, easy to get to everything. So come on down, have a look at 10 Goldstar Circuit. I look forward to seeing you.